Fleet Cost and Care, the technology that they use, how it relates to racing. First off, competitive business, right? Always trying to get better, always trying to find a leg up on the competition.
There's a tremendous amount of parallels. You're trying to get better, you're trying to compete, you're working with a group of people.
The data collection, for their fleet management, the tech that they use to help people, help the companies manage their fleets better. It's the same thing that we do. We collect thousands of data points throughout the year, to maximize what we do on the racetrack, to maximize the services that Fleet Cost and Care provides to their clients. There's a ton of similarities.
Not just collect the information, the data, but decipher it, understand it, and then act upon it. That's the goal, because that's going to ensure that whatever we undertake, we're going to do it as safely as possible. I think we're leading companies in our industry. That comes from doing the work, that comes from creating the value, and I think that's what's making Fleet Cost and Care so successful over so many years.